In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Reddit Ads Pixel using Google Tag Manager, a powerful way to track user interactions and optimize your advertising efforts. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to set up your pixel and start collecting valuable data from your website. First, let's get started with obtaining your Reddit Pixel code, also known as your Pixel ID. To do this, log into your Reddit Ads account and head over to the Events Manager. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Configure Data Source, and under that, you'll find Reddit Pixel. Click on it, and you should see the option to either set up manually or install the pixel. Choose one of these options, and Reddit will provide you with the base script, which is the Pixel.js snippet and your unique Pixel ID. These are essential for integrating Reddit tracking into your site. Now, let's move on to Google Tag Manager, often abbreviated as GTM. Log into your GTM account and select the container that you use for your website. The container is essentially the workspace where you manage all your tags. It's important to choose the correct container to ensure the pixel is deployed on the right site. Next up, we need to create a new tag within GTM. So, navigate to the Tags section and click on New. A new window should appear, prompting you to configure a tag. Here, select Tag Configuration to begin setting it up. For our purposes, we'll utilize a custom HTML tag, which allows us to insert our own scripts directly. Select Custom HTML, then paste the base pixel script from Reddit, which includes your Pixel ID. Now, once you've done this, if you're only interested in tracking page views on your site, you can simply use this script as is. However, if your goal is to track more specific user actions, such as when a user adds an item to their cart, completes a purchase, or signs up for a service, you'll need to go a step further. This involves either adding additional event snippets from Reddit or making use of GTM triggers in combination with a data layer. Triggers are what tell GTM when to fire a particular tag, and the data layer allows you to push more detailed information about user interactions into GTM. Once you've set everything up, remember to preview and test your tag to ensure it's working correctly before publishing. This will help you avoid any issues that could arise from an incorrectly implemented pixel. And that's it. You're now ready to track user interactions with Reddit ads using Google Tag Manager efficiently. This setup not only gives you insights into customer behavior, but also helps you optimize your ad performance on Reddit. Thanks for watching, and happy tagging.